Alright guys, we successfully picked up our load. We are on 183 heading towards 820 west to try to get out of Texas, to try to get out of this busy DFW area. Got myself a drink. I got my Big Rick Beckham merch on today again. This is the show on the road! The show on the road! Alright y'all, I just got an inspection here in Heflin, Georgia. But I passed. I've been here for a while, so I'm gonna... You ate my chicken! We're just playing it safe, guys. I'm going about 42 miles an hour right now. I'm just going with the flow of traffic. Seems like the farther I go, the more sleet that gets on the ground, so we're just gonna go slow and play it safe, and the main concern is the other drivers in my vicinity, so that guy's Camry. I didn't even think that I was gonna make it out of Dallas. Like, I thought that it was gonna be like a thick ass sheet of ice and like I was gonna be stuck there.
It's gonna take like 2 hours from Dallas.
I don't think it's too bad right now. I think it's definitely drivable, just if you drive slow. But you're still 2 hours away, so. Traffic just came to a stop. Oh Lord, baby Jesus. Alright y'all, traffic just came to a stop here on 287. There's a bunch of people turning around, driving in the grass. This person is straight up going in the grass. Oh, that's the side road. That's the side street. I'm like, where does he think he's going? Thought it was grass. Forgot we're in Texas. Oh, I hope there's not an accident, man. We might be stuck here for a while now, guys. Can't y'all people learn how to drive? Tell them, Zeke. Everybody's turning around. Look at this shit, man. Something had to have happened because everybody's turning around and driving on the side road. Driving backwards on the highway. It's Tesla. And I freaking thought that all I had to worry about was getting out of the Dallas area. Little did I know that I was gonna get stuck on 287. Was not expecting that. Oh God, Zeke. Zeke, I have to take an emergency poop. I have to take an emergency poop. What are we gonna do? We're surrounded with strangers. We're surrounded with strangers in an accident pile up. Not a pile up, but pile up of freaking snow in Texas. Zeke is over it. He's so over it. He's not feeling well, guys. He's got an upset stomach.
Hi, Zeke, you got upset stomach.
Yo, this bobtail tried to go through the grass like the cars, and now they're trying to push it out of the snow. They got stuck down there. They got a wrecker out here, guys. I think they're putting a bunch of salt. Looks like it was an accident. I thought they were going to be towing somebody, but I don't see nobody to tow. Back on the road, baby. Woo! Thank God it wasn't longer than that. Oh. I thought that was going to be an all-day thing. It's pretty thick snow over here. I knew it was a semi-accident. I just knew it. Just knew it, Zeke.
No, you cannot have my burger. Yours got an upset tummy.
Y'all, we just stopped at a little spot I like to stop at off of 287 in Bowie, and we got a burger, a big old burger, a big old beast, and we got some fries with it. I stopped showing all my food because y'all judge me but I don't be showing y'all my food no more since I got fat, but I guess I'm gonna show y'all today because this burger, look, what's that word people used to say? What is that word that people used to say when it looked bussin'? This burger looked bussin'. Uh-oh, is Zeke's stomach feeling a little better? What'd you bring back there? Some ice cubes, Bubba? Oh, I hope you're feeling better, Bubba's. The baby got upset tummy. Alright, y'all. We are still currently in Texas, and I met up with another JPT truck there, my brother's drivers. We are right here. What the hell? This is their truck right here, and truck 2 right here. This is Ashley. This is my friend Ashley and her boyfriend. Well, they're actually engaged now. They just got engaged. Hey, that's not engagement behavior. Tono! I got that on video. Good. Zeke just tried to bite your hand. Oh, yeah. No! Zeke, come say Hiccup. Gotta say hi to Hiccup. Boy, you're with Hiccup. Oh. This is Zeke's buddy, Hiccup, again. He gained about 10 more pounds, just like me. Hi, Hiccup. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Zeke likes to, when I throw the snowball up in there, he tries to catch it. Zeke. Zeke.
I do that to Hiccup. I just hit him in the face with the snowball.
What is he doing? Zeke!
What? Yeah, I wonder what's right here.
Hey!
Look at that.
Zeke. No, hold on, Zeke. Get in the snow. Oh.
Don't go too hard.
Say hi to YouTube, guys.
Hello.
Zeke! Hey, don't eat the yellow snow. Get out of there. Hiccup, come on, man. What are you doing? You're not the master. You trying to walk my dog? You trying to walk my dog, Hiccup? Are you trying to walk my dog? See, that's what I would be hauling, guys, if I had a flatbed, but I told my brother I wanted a step deck, so I don't get the 60-foot loads no more, unfortunately. Y'all, I have a guest in my truck. Today, I have a passenger princess.
You better back it up, Buster.
Zeke, this is my new passenger princess.
You better move over. I feel bad. You have a clean truck and I just got my wet shoes all over it.
Oh, it's fine. I took my boots off right here. How long does Tono have left on his break?
I think like 4 hours.
Oh, on his 30-minute break. It was got 4 hours. I was like, damn, I never had a 30-minute break that long.
I know. It was only like a couple minutes.
Oh, okay.
Jesus Christ, that's a huge tablet.
Yeah, it was the make your own. Like the Dunkin' Express.
Those just aren't the same.
I know, but I learned how to make my own good though.
Yeah.
But it's the
I
ice
do my
is all
best, but I
melted.
still.
Damn it! I wish I got that on video. Fuck. Oh shit! I'm used to clip. That is dangerous. All right, y'all. So Ashley decided to risk her life and come in my truck with me in the snow in Texas. No, I'm just kidding. But like I said, y'all, this is my other brother's driver, Ashley, and she's also my friend. So she's riding with me. I don't know if y'all seen her in she's been in a couple of my older videos, but her fiance is driving behind us right now, and they're going to Salt Lake City, Utah, and we are going to somewhere in Washington. It's like Kennewick, Washington. So we are just convoying right now, and Ashley's just riding with me until Tono's time is up. So
Just chilling on a snow day.
a snow day in Texas. This is fun. We're on 287. Yeah. Oh no, we're not on 287. It says 82. Is this still technically 287?
I think so. I think
It just
so.
like turned into 82 or something?
And then I think it splits off in Wichita Falls.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, so we're technically still on 287, basically. Same shit. But thank God I got out of that accident earlier, or else I would probably have been stuck in Texas for the rest of the night.
Oh my gosh, these people are going so fast.
Yeah, these people in their personal cars are going way too fast. They're in pickup trucks. They think they're unstoppable. They're like, yeah, I got a Chevy pickup truck. Look at this dude. There's another Chevy. They're like, yeah, man, let's go 70. Look at these truckers. Going 55. Oh my. Oh no, Ziggy, she's in your seat.
Yep. Road closure, I-40 West. Last updated 2 minutes ago.
Oh my god. The road is closed in Amarillo, guys. We're not gonna make it out of Texas today. It does smell like fart. Oh.
Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. What? Snow. Additional snow accumulations up to 3 inches. Where? In Oklahoma, Beaver County. In Texas, Collingsworth and Ochiltree counties.
That shit has a lot of snow though.
a.m. Central Standard Time. Especially bridges and overpasses would likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday evening and
Y'all, this wind is insane. Yeah, there's accidents right here. There's a truck jackknifed. That's that guy! That's the MVT driver! That's the one that was speeding past us! Look at him, he's jackknifed.
We're almost there, dude. We're so fucking close.
Oh my god, thank
Just go really slow.
baby Jesus that they were not blocking the road. They were okay, guys. Okay, they were okay. I've seen them. They were alive. Dude, Ashley, that was the
guy that passed.
That was the
100%.
That was him. That has to be him because he fucking flew past
He was
us.
going 65 in this shit, bro.
And since when did 3 MVT drivers get in front of us?
No. No.
Dude, that was him, Ashley.
Dude.
What a fucking idiot. He looked like he hit that car. He had to have hit that car.
Yeah, I think so.
What exit? I don't know if I'm gonna get off an exit.
She's not getting off on any exit.
The exit's probably, the side road's probably worse. Look at it! Look at the fucking exit.
Yeah, we're not taking that exit. Absolutely not.
Unless that's a.
I
is
wonder
that a
if
truck
40's
stop right
closed in Amarillo now. He said that Google Maps is trying to take him, not let him go this way.
there? Mine's showing.
What's that say?
Drive safely. Alright, Zeke, I'm okay. I'm sorry for screaming. These roads should not be like this in Texas.
Oh, send me to Mexico.
Hawaii. This is awesome. I love driving in this.
Oh yeah,
It just gets my heart going.
Just makes that blood pump.
I-40 westbound, closed ahead, seek shelter.
I-40 west closed. Seek shelter. What the fuck does that mean? Is there a tornado? Like, obviously it's snowing, but like, why seek shelter?
Ew, Zeke, your beard still stinks, bro.
We got this. Becca's a badass.
I don't even know if I should have got off this. Oh yeah, this is the exit. Never mind.
At least we can see where people's fires have been.
Dude, this shit looks like a ghost town.
Dude, it does. This is scary.
There's nobody out here.
This is freaky, dude.
Oh shit, I got this music playing. Dude, there ain't nobody out here on these roads. So me and Ashley and Tono only made it to Amarillo, and now the roads are closed. Obviously, when y'all heard us driving, y'all heard us talk about the road closed, but it is pretty freaking crazy in Amarillo right now. When we pulled in, we heard a guy on my CB radio talking about, hey, anybody going west? If you're going west, I'm pretty sure they got the roads closed down and it's straight sheets of ice. I got a friend who's going west right now, and he said they went about 5 miles in 2 hours. So we parked at the Petro in Amarillo, and it's kind of like a create your own parking spot right here, how we parked. But you know what, we're in the middle of a winter storm in Texas, so we will make do with what we're given, okay? This guy keeps looking out his window like he's pissed, but he can still get out. Like, we're not trapping anybody. So and Ashley, my friend Ashley, gave me some home cooked meals that her mom makes at home when they go home, and she was a nice enough friend to give me some grubbin. I'm heating it up in the microwave right now, so I got me some hot food. This is what good friends are, guys. They give you hot meals when you're over the road truck driver. This is taco cheesy rice, so I'm guessing it's beef rice, and I almost fell out my microwave. And it's not heated up all the way, but I'm guessing it's meat, rice, and cheese. Yummy, yummy, Ziki! And she was nice enough to give Ziki some new toys. Ziki, some new toys! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! The Burberry's got new toys!